Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Rocket Mortgage for document upload access step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Rocket Mortgage. Press enter to navigate to the Rocket Mortgage homepage. Once the homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the authentication page. Here, enter your email address associated with your Rocket Mortgage account. Next, type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. Once logged in, navigate to the Document Upload section. Look for an option labeled Upload Documents or similar. Click on that option to access the document upload portal. You may be prompted to complete a two-factor authentication process. Check your email or phone for a verification code if required. Enter the verification code into the designated field. Submit the verification code to proceed. Now, you can select the files you wish to upload. Click on the Choose File button to locate your documents. After selecting the files, confirm they meet the required formats and sizes. Once ready, click the Upload button to submit your documents. You should see a confirmation message once the upload is successful. If you experience any issues, check your internet connection. For further assistance, contact Rocket Mortgage support via their help section. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.